Although most people store their contacts digitally, there are times when having a printed copy is useful. Whether you're creating a backup, organizing business contacts, or keeping an emergency contact list, this tutorial will show you how to print contacts from Google Contacts step by step. Start by opening Google Contacts in your web browser and signing in with your Google account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all of your saved contacts. Next, choose whether you want to print your entire contact list or only specific contacts. Select the contacts you need by checking the boxes next to their names, or choose all contacts if you want a complete directory. Google Contacts doesn't include a built-in print button. Instead, click Export from the left menu and choose the contacts you'd like to export. Then select Google CSV or another format that works best for your needs. After downloading the file, open it in a spreadsheet application such as Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or another compatible program. From there, you can organize the columns and prepare everything for printing. Once everything looks the way you want, so open the print menu in your spreadsheet application. Review the print preview, choose your paper size and orientation, then print the contact list. If you don't need a paper copy immediately, you can also choose Save as PDF instead of printing. This gives you a digital version that you can keep as a backup or print whenever you need it. And that's it. You now know how to print contacts from Google Contacts. Exporting your contacts first makes it easy to create a printed directory or save a PDF for future reference. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and thanks for watching.